my name is Tahir. I work for Kantar and I'm the OneStream product owner. Kantar is a global market research organization. So they provide a lot of companies with market information that they may ask for. The organization was using SAP BPC. And this was a very cumbersome way of trying to consolidate their financials. And because we have multi-divisions, trying to string all that data together in a cohesive fashion was very problematic. So we selected OneStream primarily because of the scope of the platform. You could do so many things just out of the box. You had enough capabilities, but then the marketplace allowed you to extend your product offerings. One of my favorite solutions on the marketplace is the transaction matching module, trying to consolidate 3 billion turnover organizations intercompany results was very challenging. With implementing transaction matching, we were able to compile a lot of that data by day -8 to day +1. So we're pulling data from the source ERP systems into OneStream. So by day +1, the users are actually eliminating all of the intercompany differences, and they're actually focusing on value-added month-end activities rather than chasing up who hasn't paid their supplier, etc. So one of the key advantages we had with OneStream was to use extensibility. Each of our divisions are different, so we can actually tailor each division to have the different functional hierarchies that they need. We have about 5 different data sources that come into our staging layer, which we call the data lake. And then from the data lake, we have basically a feed that goes into OneStream. And then through that, the users can drill back and get down to the transactional level detail for the ERP sets anyway. As you know, finance users love Excel. So our guys really love drilling into Excel and trying to create their own reports. And because of the cube extensibility we've got, they can right click on any number they see and do a right click drill back. And it'll basically pull back the data and they can check the number from the balances they saw in OneStream to the transactional details they get out of their source ERP. It's all in one place. And it's the whole company doing it. OneStream gives you not just a tool, it's a platform. The marketplace solutions with the core product offering. And now with the introduction of the AI, the OneStream we're putting in place, I don't think there's anything else out there right now that can offer that capability.